Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to find the critical value for t uh, when you estimate population mean using statistics calculator, online calculator. And to find the uh, critical value when you estimate population mean, you need two things. One, you need the area, and other one is degree of freedom, which we call DF. So but this is the tricky question. It doesn't give you area directly, but notice that if you have a critical values, in this case there are two value, right critical value and left critical value, there is a area in between these two critical value, so you have to find that. So to find the area between these two critical value that we are looking for, you got to do, let me show you, you got to do 1 minus alpha. That's the alpha is area on the east side of the tail. You get 1 minus alpha, which is going to 0.95. So this is the area between those two critical value you got to use. So 0.95 represent here is an area under the curve. So to do that, you got to do distribution here, and you check student t distribution, because this is the critical value for t. So you go to students t distribution, and in this window you have to put x bar, which is sample mean, as a 0, and standard deviation as a 1. Keep it like this, okay? And the DF, degree of freedom, going to be 42. You just type 42 here, okay? Now from here, since this 0.95 is the area between two critical value that we are looking for, so I got to choose this option, probability of x between a and b. Here pretty much x as a t, okay? So and now you are looking for x value, in other words t value, but notice that area is given here, so you find the x value here. That means same as saying find t value, but this is the t value that I'm looking for, where the area in the middle is 0.95. So in this last boxes here, this boxes corresponds to the area, okay? So this is always the number here is the area. So our area here is 0.95. So I'm going to put 0.95 here, 0.95, okay? Now if I do that, let's do degree of freedom is 42, sample mean 0, sample is standard deviation 1, and I calculate the area. I choose that option, I put this area, and whatever number you get here, this is the critical value. 2.01 is this critical value, and I can see here as well, and this critical value is negative 2.01. so in this case the right critical value going to be 2. It's just a 3 decimal, so 2.018. Another one going to be negative 2.018. But notice that alpha over 2 here is basically, you divide this by 2, you get the alpha over 2 going to be 0.025, and the other one here, you subtract 1 minus alpha over 2 is going to be 0.975. okay, that's how you do. So you can check answer. So that's how you find critical value for t using online calculator. Okay, again, make sure that this is area, okay? This is the value, critical value here is called t value, but here this is x. That's okay. As long as we have this information, this is automatically going to be t, okay? But doesn't looks t, but it is t, okay? Thank you.